What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've been inside of a GLB. I did one about 3 years ago, but that was not really an in-depth review like this one is going to be. So let's take a look at this one, see what we're working with here. Honestly, not bad second row space for legroom. Pretty impressive. Let's go to the front. And now for the button test. And now for the final button. Mileage in case you're curious. Alright, how did it do? I'll keep this one real easy for you. 4 out of 10 for fit and finish.
Oh no! Anyway.
As far as materials go, we're looking quite a bit better, I think. So we have soft touch vinyl on the dash, on the door. Pretty good there. Where you start to run into hard, crappy plastic though is this little zone and lower. Glove box and lower. That's unfortunate, but I guess we can't have it all. They don't have any kind of real metal or wood trim in this car, so you have this sort of plastic right here. It's made to look like brushed aluminum, and visually it actually looks very good until you you know, touch it, of course. And then this is some kind of plastic. I don't even know what this is or what it's supposed to look like. I mean, if you squint, it almost looks like carbon fiber. It's clearly not though, and if you look closely, it's a diamond pattern in there. I don't even know what the hell that is. That looks stupid. You guys already know this car is not going to have real leather seats, just MB Techs. You know, the whole company just overuses the MB Techs. Leather is not good enough. And then we have a cloth headliner, not the softest feeling cloth in the world, and then we have a plastic sun visor. And then the buttons and switchgear in here are pretty mixed bags, so there's a few buttons in here that are amazing, and frankly, they're too good to be in this car, such as the climate buttons, which have a very nice feel and click to them. Absolutely love that. And then we have buttons that are too shit to be in any car, such as the windshield wiper stock and the turn signal stock. Both of these levers feel cheap as fuck. The buttons themselves are designed pretty nicely though, such as the window controls. They're just plastic, but at least they look nice. Same with the seat controls. All the other buttons in here visually look pretty nice. Mercedes does get that right in their newer cars. Speaking of Mercedes getting things right, this ambient lighting is one of the best in the business. Even the air vents here light up. Everything's really bright. Even Cadillac, or Jeep for that matter, can't even touch these guys. Seriously, this is the best ambient lighting that I've seen. BMW is pretty good too, actually, but this just takes the cake. So for materials, I'm going to give this a 6 out of 10. If we had some more vinyl going on here and some real leather seats, I could see this being a 7, but we have to keep it at 6. We got to be realistic. So there you guys have it. The final score is 4 out of 10 for fit and finish, 6 out of 10 for materials. Please let me know your thoughts. I haven't really driven a GLB on the road, so I can't comment on the driving experience, so we'll have to see how that is at a future time. But this is just a family hauler. If you can't afford a GLS, you get put into one of these. This is basically the Dodge Journey of Mercedes-Benz. It's not the 3-row SUV that you choose, it's the one that you're put into because of your particular financial situation. It's got some nice lights though. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Peace.